Welcome! Are you ready to transform your garden into a low-maintenance food-producing paradise? Let's explore how to create a permaculture food forest. First, let's look at what a food forest is and why this gardening method is so beneficial. A food forest, or forest garden, is a gardening method that mimics a natural forest ecosystem to grow food, medicine, and fiber. The goal is a diverse, low-maintenance system that feeds itself, offering greater biodiversity and resilience than traditional gardening. Effective design and planning are crucial for a successful food forest. It all starts with observation. Begin by assessing your climate, soil composition, and available space. Understand sun exposure, drainage, and existing elements. Map out your planting zones. Place high-use plants closer to your home and plan for clear access paths throughout the area. Food forests are structured in 7 distinct layers, each occupying a different vertical space. The first layer is the canopy, consisting of the tallest trees, typically large fruit and nut trees that provide shade and structure. Below the canopy is the low tree layer, featuring smaller fruit and nut trees that tolerate partial shade. Next, we have the shrub layer, which includes berry bushes and other food-producing shrubs. The herbaceous layer comprises annual and perennial vegetables, as well as culinary and medicinal herbs. The ground cover layer consists of low-growing plants that sprawl across the ground, protecting the soil and suppressing weeds. Underground, we have the rhizosphere layer, which includes root crops like potatoes, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Finally, the vertical layer is for vines and climbers that utilize the vertical space of the taller trees or trellises. With your plan in place, it's time to build your food forest and get your hands dirty. Prepare the ground using techniques like mulching and adding rich compost. This will build healthy soil and retain moisture. When planting, consider the mature size of each plant to ensure proper spacing and prevent overcrowding in the different layers. The beauty of a food forest is its reduced maintenance over time, maximizing your returns. Maintenance is generally low. Focus on occasional pruning, ensuring adequate watering during dry spells, and continuously building soil health with mulch and compost. Soon you'll be enjoying an abundant harvest from your self-sustaining food forest. Happy gardening!